A very warm welcome to my TikTok topic, change of variables. And this is Mohammad Fayaq from Mechanical Branch. And my roll number is 2095180326. So I'm moving further. Change of variables. In mathematics, a change of variables is a basic technique used to simplify problems in which the original variables are replaced with functions of other variables. The intent is that when expressed in new variables, the problem may become simpler or equivalent to a better understood problem. Change of variables is an operation that is related to substitution. However, those are different operations as can be seen when considering differentiation, chain rule, or integration or substitution. A very simple example of a useful variable change can be seen in problem of finding root of 60th degree polynomial. 60-degree polynomial equations are generally impossible to solve in terms of radicals. This particular equation, however, may be written. This is simple case of polynomial decomposition. So this is nothing but we are reducing the given equation into the smallest form and then solving it and then further solving it in order to get the answer. So in order to solve the x power 6 problem, we can take x square whole cube, x square as common. So in order x power 6, x power 5, x power 4, x power 3, further we can take the x square or x cube common. So some terms in the x power 6 degree may have x power 6 plus x power 4 equal to something or something. So in this way x power 4 can be taken common. So in many ways we can simplify and we can do it. So change of variables is nothing but a substitution. It's nothing but is not a measurement, substitution. So consider the system of equations xy plus x plus y equal to 71, and another is x square y plus xy square equal to 8, where x and y are positive integers with x greater than. Solving this normally is not very difficult, but it may get a little tedious. However, we can rewrite the second equation as xy into x plus y is equals to 88. Making this substitution s equal to x plus y and t equal to xy reduces the system to s plus t equal to 71, s into 2, s into t equal to 88. Solving this gives s comma t, which is 16 comma 55 or 55 comma 16. Back substituting the first order pair given as x plus y equal to 16, xy equal to 55, which gives the solution x comma y equal to 11 comma 5. Hence the solution that solves in the system is 11 comma 5. So this is nothing but reducing the given equation and simplifying it in our own manner. So the main thing is Jacobian rule. The main thing is Jacobian rule, which is also a kind of change of variables in which we differentiate it. We differentiate first. We take in terms of if first we take in terms of a variable, then we differentiate it, and then we again find the delta. So the main aim is to know the Jacobian rule, and along with the Jacobian rule we can also solve the following given examples also. So as here x power 3 whole power 2 minus 9. So the equation is x power 6 minus 9 into x power 3 plus 8 equal to 0. So this is a sixth degree polynomial. Then how to solve it? Then it can be taken as x cube whole square minus 9 into x cube plus 8 equal to 0. Then taking x cube as u, it simplifies to u square minus 9u plus 8. See how the sixth degree equation is changed to second degree. This is the main thing we need to understand in this. We can reduce the given polynomial and then proceed further. Here also we have taken x plus y common and xy as another variable and proceeded further, and then again we have substituted the st value in order to get x comma y value. So in this way we are going to reduce and solve the problems. And this is the thank you slide, and for my I would like to thank for the opportunity given.